Molly-Mae Hague and boyfriend Tommy Fury hired out VIP lanes at a bowling alley yesterday after she came under fire for her fascination with a bargain store. The pair had had a fun-filled Saturday that included gorging on Nando's and a big shop at B&M. 4. Molly-Mae Hague's bowling effort didn't go too well. 4. She and boyfriend Tommy hired some VIP lanes. 4. Tommy said had never seen anything like B&M. To top it off, the duo went bowling at Atlantic Bowl in Altrincham, but knocking skittles over didn't appear to be one of Molly's talents as she gutterballed her shot. Tommy teased, "I don't think bowling is for her." Molly joked, "It's the taking part that matters, guys." Earlier in the day she was caught up in yet another classist troll after she posted clips from their shopping trip on Instagram. The couple, both 22, visited a discount store on Saturday and Molly shared a video revealing boxer Tommy was fascinated by the low prices. Showing their trolley full of sports drinks, Molly said, "I think Tommy's enjoying our little trip to Home Bargains." She then panned to Tommy, who said, "Let me tell you, B&M bargains, I've never seen anything like it. These drinks that you get in the gym, they're here and they're 89p. Like, hold on, stop what you're doing and process that for a second." Molly added, "We've really stocked up, guys. Honestly, B&M trips are the one." But some fans were quick to criticize the videos, with one writing, "So weeks after being called out for her classist remarks, Molly-Mae's first big story that isn't just a photograph is a clip of her and Tommy in Home Bargains/B&M being utterly shocked at the low prices. Does she not have a PR team to advise her against tests like this?" Another added, "Molly-Mae and Tommy Fury shopping in B&M has sent me." And a third said, "Not Tommy and Molly-Mae discovering Home Bargains." Earlier this month, Molly was forced to apologize after comments she made on the Diary of a CEO podcast about wealth and success were branded tone-deaf. Returning to social media for the first time after being viciously trolled online, Molly wrote, "I wanted to come back on online today as normal, but I feel like before I do I just wanted to say this. When I say or post anything online, it is never with malice or ill intent. I completely appreciate that things can affect different people in different ways, however I just want to stress that I would never intend to hurt or upset anyone by anything that I say or do. I apologize to the people that have been affected negatively or misunderstood the meaning of what I said in the podcast. The intentions of the podcast were only ever to tell my story and inspire from my own experience. Love to you all, always X." 4. Molly shared videos from her and Tommy's bargain shopping spree.